The effects of rain. To us, we hide from the rain, yet we're so fascinated we stare at it from our own shelters. It's just the opposite for the trees and the grass. They revel in the water. They lean into the wind, swaying back and forth with utter joy for the nutrients and the thirst-quenching rains provided by nature. How the cycle repeats itself, drawing sustenance from the soil so the trees can grow and produce oxygen for the world to breathe. How they unselfishly give their core for humans to build their shelters with. Piney stubs for birds to land on, exhausted from flight. Or woodland creatures to burrow in for their safety and nesting. Such is the balance of nature, seen and unseen by the naked eye.